Hey folks, ET here. I thought I'd do a little review of my new iPhone holder. It's kind of a gooseneck type thing that allows you to kind of put the phone wherever you want, and it mounts right here to the bottom of your seat. And it comes with some other brackets, you can put it elsewhere, but this is exactly where I wanted it. You'll notice when you're driving, the only kind of little bit of criticism I have is you can see that if you're on bumpy roads, you get that little bit of jitter kind of thing. And my car itself here, I have a kind of stiffer suspension, so you're going to see a lot more jitters. I have lowering springs and Bilstein shocks, so you get a little bit more jitters than you would out of a more luxurious car. I have a Toyota 86 BRZ FRS type car, little sports coupe, so I'm getting a little bit more jitters. So what I'm going to do is try to move that gooseneck more along the side so it's touching that footwell. Just see if I can reduce those jitters just a little bit. But even with that little bit of jittering going on, I think on the highway and when I'm going through the city and at stoplights and things like that, I pretty much am satisfied with this little mount thing here. If I remember correctly, it's about $26 on Amazon. I had some Prime points, so ended up spending about $7 on it, so even better. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested, and I'll talk to you later. Peace and aloha.